Hello guys, my name is Shubhrina Shubham. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. So today I am going to do a science experiment. In this science experiment, I will need a bottle, a glass, a balloon which is filled with gas, and also water. So I am pouring the water into the bottle. So my bottle filling is done. Now I will set the balloon at the mouth of the bottle. So guys, I have set the balloon at the mouth of the bottle. So you will see now that the gas is giving pressure to the water and giving the straw and give us the water to the glass. And do you know, someone can ask me that how can I put the straw? Thus, first I make a hole in the bottle, then I put the straw. That is how I put the straw inside the bottle. Now, the science experiment fun now begins. See, the air pressure is giving pressure to the water and goes to the straw. Now, from the bottle, it's transferred to the glass. Now you see that the air pressure of the gas of the balloon is giving pressure here and giving the pressure to the water, and it flows to the straw and giving the water to the glass. And you know that liquids can flow from one place to another when they are left on a flat surface, and they are also called another name fluids. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share it, and comment in the comment section. Thank you.